Well, as you know, Prisal is a place that always have a lot of sports, and we tend to keep that, even in the bird game. Very important to have bird shows so that people who not into birds would get an idea what it's all about, because most people think it's just singing, but it's not just that. It's also there's a rivalry, it's bragging rights, them kind of thing. Yeah. So people like to brag and stuff and make themselves feel good. So, and this is what we do here. It's very important for you to come on the sand track in the morning and give the bird that extra exercise. Like I always say, the more you sweat in training, is the less you will bleed in a battle. So I work with that. That is my motto. So I work the birds during the week. We have training on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and of course on Sundays, which is our regular game. My name is Solo, and welcome to Prisal Boat Club, Prisal Ground, to the show this morning.
Just want to pick up Daniel and Solo, they are the people in charge here. Please come and register. When you hear registration, please come immediately and register so we could run on time. Okay?
Bring it. Bring it. Sing it, mate. One. Sing it again, Edison. Bring it. Yes. Sing it, mate.
From long ago to presently, the sport has grown tremendously. In the volume of people minding bird, the quality of bird, the sport has gotten plenty better now. And it's more known now. We used to do small shows long ago, but the first international show started in the year 2000 in San Fernando. It was done by a guy by the name of Assam Chong. And from there, it took a couple of weekends to do. And with that first show, we started modernize the show where we could do it in one day now. Now our show taking a couple of hours to do. It has come a long way, but from then to now, the sport is real good. We're trying to encourage the youth, again, to keep away from the bad things and come into the sport and get a little more responsible, to come together under one body. To unite the sport under one rule, one body, fairness to play for all, and again breeding and knowledge and pass on the knowledge to the youth men coming up. Then the game had to go forward. Okay, gentlemen, count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, that concludes the ground bird. Let's hear a round of applause for all the contestants. Come on, people, come on.
The spot bird going on in 2 minutes. We're going to put the spot bird out.
One.
Two on that side, this side.
One.
Come on.
Ready.
One. One.
Right, all spot birds assemble in the arena. All spot birds in the arena.
Come on, Mike.
1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One. Mark 2 there. Yeah.
Right, so the one pole and the first 15, Blackburn one pole is open for registration. The first 50 is going straight after this, in about 10 minutes from now.
4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 8 on hand.
After the middle one. My list is 1.
2, 1, on hang.
Rishi Auto Garage, PWL.
Now the competition was real good today. Well executed. Well professionalism. It was good, smooth. That is what I like. It was nice. Well, your bird had to be in form. First place. You don't just run into a race just so. You had to know when your bird in form and you push him. You give him all the extra seed, feed him up properly, and he will perform on the day. Now this is not old man sport. This is everybody, young, old, everybody, and how they introducing it with children, girls, children, everything is working out good, encouraging more people, and you just had to try something.
You're skipping this one.
2, 1, hang your birds, hang.
Come on, score your goal. Man, now cut the bird by 1. Yeah, allow it to go. Try and ball it. 1. 1. 1. Come on. Ready. What? 1. Come on, 1. 1. Nice ball. 1. Game over. Let's start now, right?
With my experience, we started the shows on them in 2010. And from since that, we have been doing shows. And the vast development I saw, for instance, like the show last week, what we had Barboids, and look, this show today, it is a great development. And I've seen more people are encouraged by bringing out the family, like wife and children. We never said that before. Well, the bird thing is unity, and it's our one love, right? It may have the dishonest one in between. We can't get away from that. But most of the guys in these clubs, they get together and they assist one another in every possible way. Even though, like, you might have, sometimes you run out of luck, you don't have a good bird, and you have a good friend, he might offer you a bird or even sell you for small money in order to bring you back into the game, to give you that little encouragement. Because when you could come out and race a bird and you could win a trophy, you could see the unity between people. And they doesn't know where you come from, but they know you belong to a birding club, the birding association, and everybody showing that love. And that's what we need here, you know. We could change this trend and to make it through this little association that is going on here, this birding. And I feel it is great, it is great. I love it.
Listen, I'm giving a little option. Bushman, you win all the trophy? Right, so you're out. You take the trophy and you win. Go and get that. You taking a second place trophy? Yeah, I got that. Right, these two birds, 29-29. That is third and fourth. Who want to be third and who want to be fourth? 32.
Yeah, look, 32, yeah.
32, yeah. These two birds got two. These two birds type of fourth. You're going to have a quick battle with these two birds. Right here.
Right here.
1 to 10, right? You're scoring? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Right there. Just back out. One.
Nice. Rack it up there. Rack it up there. Right there.
I am from Aviculture Club, right? And today we're in Presal. There's a show in Presal, a bird show. right? The show is bird against bird. These birds take a lot of care. They're very expensive. They take a lot of care to take care of. To acquire a good bird for the ground costs a lot of money and a lot of time. You understand? So this, I will always recommend a young person to get into this. Right? A person who minds bird is not a thief, not a bandit, not a robber. Right? This game is for everybody. It's a woman coming into the game, young children, all kind of things. The bird is morning area, right? You see, it come like an athlete. Athlete just go and train and run and proper feeding and stuff like that. Shiny bird is mean you're going up against the next bird, right? And seeing and trying out your bird and trying out your bird. So the other bird will sing back your bird and your bird will sing back, right? So when they get accustomed to that kind of arrangement, right, the bird just only get better, right? So when you're creating in the racing arena and a bird singing back, he'll be all right. So he practice like that, you know. So they'll practice them 1 pole, they'll practice them 3 feet, 5 feet.
Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Unhung.
First and second object. First and second object. Right. First and second. First. Second.
My name is Adrian Bralkisoon. I am from Presal and I just won the 1 pole blackbird competition. This is one of the best shows so far, if not the best. I don't think anything that I've been to for the past could top this, because I mean they have everything organized, perfect. This is not an easy thing, you know. You need to get your bird in condition in order to have your bird in condition like that. To sing against one of the top birds there and win against one of the top birds is a huge accomplishment for me here. I was introduced to this by my uncle, by my late uncle. I've been coming here since before this ground has even been developed. The pavilion was on that side there. That's how long I've been in this bird thing. So, but only recently I started to get into the real serious competition aspect of the birding thing. And well, I mean this is my home ground, so I decided to enter the bird and see how things will pan out.
One.
Yeah, don't worry, sir. They're going to remind you. One.
I was glad to give people little things.
A real interesting thing is, clash out, and Jason.
Tomorrow, just come on.
They're done in front, 2 rows to finish.
One.
Yeah, nah, I'm tagging none of these kids. You tag the other too?
Easily, fight up fast.
In the first place, back to winning ways. Very next Rasta man. What's here on inside already? Nice man.
Hey, let's give them a big one. First place, man. Come on. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Are we with 41 rules? And in first place, we have Muslim.
Want to give Muslim a big round of applause. Congratulations. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray.
None other than Bushman.
Bushman. Woo! Oh God, I'm watching you like you really from the bush, boy. Give me a round of applause. What you do? Bushman, big up and congratulations, Bushman.
Nice. And the first place in the 5 feet, a normal winner. Answer, come on. Well done.
Hey,
Still take our first place. No, don't worry. I see that.
Answer how to get something, boy.
Must win a trophy, boy. The first place goes to Gatu. Gatu with 58 rolls.
Hey, Gatu again. Only give that man a big round of applause now, man. Come on, man. Yay.
It's fine, everybody.
Congratulations, Patrick. Congrats. Twine. And who is you, Malik? Get Twine a big round of applause, man. Come on.
So it's a new winner.
How he walk like Rambo?
And your name will be going on the challenge trophy. As you can see, Dinesh Joseph was the winner in 2022. And now your name will be going on this challenge trophy.
Bro, it's that time again. You don't know what's going on here. You see what's going on in Crystal. You don't know. Everything is fine, everything is nice, everything is sweet. You understand? Big up yourself, people. Yeah, man. I'm talking about.
Congratulations.
One.